How to add story from gallery on Snapchat. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the story from gallery, first and foremost, you can launch a Snapchat application in your device. Make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date and that you are logged in. To add story from one of the picture already available in your gallery, at the bottom left hand corner you will see a clip icon. You actually have to go ahead and click on it. From here you will reach to your memory section. Now to add a story, tap on the camera roll. Here you'll find every photo or media that is available in your gallery. Just select on the picture that you wish to add as a story. At the bottom you will see the plus sign icon story. You need to click on it. From here, you can decide to post the story just to your friend or public. Then click on the send option. After that, you can head back from here, and at the top left corner in a bit emoji section, you will see that your story has been posted. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.